Easy go.
Hello everybody, welcome to this quick video here. So I've noticed some people don't know how to use this crossfader here. This is the crossfader of Mixx. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that and also how to fade the samples. So say I'm going to play some Ariana Grande 7 rings here. Yeah. Let's get to the end, you know. So then I want to play like this one.
Summer is back. New and awesome music here on Fresh.
And I met you in the summer. It never ends.
You're listening to another hour on Fresh.
So as you see, I've got a bed here. So I'm going to turn this down so I can, make it here. So you see the bed, that will go constantly. I can speak over it like lovely. So to fade it, because you're not going to talk for 1 minute 30 essentially. So what you want to do, you want to get this crossfader's orientation here. Set it to the direction opposite from the next track. So I'll play this one next, and I want to fade it out. So I can do this. Just fade it out using this. I'll put a little volume again. Then I can play the next song. Then I can get rid of this, and I can stop that. And I can put that back up. Then I can put the crossfader back to that. So if it's over here, you can do that by pressing right click. Make sure you know that this selection here is this. If I do this, it'll fade out the song. It's quiet. Same for this one. If I am to play this, I do this, it'll go quiet. Okay, lovely. So that's pretty much all you need to know about the crossfader. Of course, if you want to do more advanced stuff, I might do a video about that if that's requested. But at the moment, not really needed. So, lovely. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.